666. Your angels is saying to you, create a balanced solution in your life by thinking about the group over just your own needs and desires. Desire is honorable. It should be a guide in your life. But the guides in your life that will bring you the most fulfillment will be your personal values. The things you turn to make decisions that are higher than just your desires or what you want in the moment. Triggers and warnings that usually make you fight or freeze can be transformed through responding from a place of connection to your personal values. Type 666 if you believe, and also subscribe the channel.